This video is going to look at all the different ways you can find slope depending on what type of information you're given. So in this first problem, we have a graph here of a line, and we're going to use the 2 points on that line and this formula to find the slope. And these y's and x's just correspond to the y's and x's in the ordered pairs. So the 2 points that are given to us on this line are 2, 2, and -1, -2. I'm going to name 2, 2 as my point number 1 and -1, -2 as my point number 2. It doesn't matter which one is which as long as you keep it consistent. Your x1 and y1 have to be together and your x2 and y2 have to be together. So going ahead and plugging in this information, our y2, we're going to get the y coordinate from our second point, so that's -2. Minus y1, which is 2, over x2, which is -1, minus x1, which is 2. And then simplifying this, -2 minus 2 is -4, over -1 minus 2 is -3. So a negative divided by a negative cancels out, so our slope is positive 4/3. You can also find the slope just from the standard equation for a line. So here we have 3x minus 5y equals 1. And the key to finding slope here is transforming this line into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where our m there is the slope that we're looking for. So in order to do this, all we have to do is solve for y. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. That leaves us with -5y equals 1 minus 3x, and then divide by -5. And we have that y equals -1/5 plus 3/5 x. And now comparing this to our slope-intercept form, our m is with our x, so our slope is 3/5. There are a bunch of other combinations of information that you could be given. You could just be given the equation in slope-intercept form, or they could just give you 2 points instead of giving you the graph. But no matter what they give you, it's going to boil down to these 2 basic methods.